When you're playing the game, who do you enjoy being the best? Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Like when you play it, oh, I want to be Steph Curry because I want to shoot like Steph tonight. Or how does that work?
Crazy thing is, I can't shoot with Steph.
That's true. Everybody's
You
telling
can't
me.
what?
I can't really play well. He's terrible in the game with me.
It's either hit or miss with the timing on my jumper. I can't figure out my own
Well,
jumper.
whose fault is that?
It's
Is
mine.
that your fault
We
or is
gotta
it
get
his
obviously
fault?
it's
practice.
mine.
We gotta get the practice.
You gotta go to
Yeah,
practice.
he's usually he's a 30% shooter in my game. I'm just ecstatic. Just a great feeling to be able to represent, where I come from, my team, my organization, the state of Oklahoma, my friends and family on a game cover that crosses so many different households, around this world, and to have an opportunity to do so, I'm very grateful.
Well, first of all, I'm excited every year when 2K comes out. I think it's one of the best games out there consistently.
It's great to be a part of, knowing with NBA 2K15 how realistic the gameplay is, but also the graphics. I mean, just seeing how we look on the court, it's pretty doggone spot on.
No, I mean, I love playing 2K, just as much as probably any other, basketball player, so it's a fun game. And
Hair, face, everything's pretty much the same facial expression, so it's about the realest game I've ever seen.
I'm the alpha dog when it comes to playing 2K.
but I would seriously hope everybody play with the Pelicans.
We sat there for hours at a time, doing what we do on TV, just dressed a little differently. And Shaq would do his thing and say, "I'm the most dominant big man in history of the NBA. Nobody could guard me. I wasn't tough to officiate." And then you just do your stuff.